In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to unfollow everyone on the Threads app. If you're feeling overwhelmed by the number of accounts you've followed and want a clean slate, I'm here to assist you through the process. Let's dive right in. Access your profile. Launch the Threads app and locate your profile icon, situated at the lower right corner of the screen. Tap on it to proceed. Explore your followers. Within your profile, you'll see the number of followers you currently have. For instance, it might say 18 followers. Tap on this follower count to proceed to the next step. Manage who you're following. Once you've tapped on the follower count, you'll be taken to a new screen. On this screen, you'll see a section labeled Following. Tap on Following to access the list of accounts you're currently following. Review and unfollow. You'll now be presented with a list of accounts you've followed. Unlike some other apps under the Meta umbrella, Threads doesn't offer a one-tap solution to unfollow all accounts at once. You'll need to do this manually, account by account. To unfollow an account, locate the Unfollow button positioned next to each account's name. Give it a tap and you'll unsubscribe from their updates. Manage pending requests. If you've sent follow requests to private or yet to join Threads accounts, there's a handy feature to bulk unfollow them. Tap on Pending in the upper right corner of the screen. This will bring you to a list of profiles with pending follow requests. At the bottom of this list, you'll find a Cancel All button. Give this button a tap, and you'll be relieved of all pending follow requests. Exceptions to note. Keep in mind that if you're already following an account that has an active Threads presence, you'll need to remove them individually. Unfortunately, there's no way to unfollow them en masse. That's the whole process. Following these steps will help you cleanse your Threads following list, making it much more manageable. If you have any questions or uncertainties along the way, don't hesitate to ask. Feel free to leave your queries in the comments section below. In addition to that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.